Hey everyone! Are you looking for a free tool to remove background from image? Are you looking for a tutorial that shows you how to remove background from image? Well, I got you covered. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove background from image. So without any further ado, let's hop into the video. Go to Google search bar and search remove background. Then, click on the first link www.remove.bg. If you're not using Google search, you can directly go to the link www.remove.bg from any browser. Once you're on the website, click on the Upload Image button. Now, select the image from which you want to remove the background. Once you've selected the image, wait till the background is being removed. Now, you can see that the background has been removed. You can also add other backgrounds to your picture for free by clicking on Add Design. Now click on Download to get the image. You can get a high-quality download for free by clicking on Download HD, but you can get it for only one time once you've signed up. However, you can also get the file with a decent quality by clicking on the Download button. Here you can see that the background has been successfully removed. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the notifications bell.